Hey friends, if you wish to enable and customize live captions on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So it's not very difficult. Here's what you have to do. Right click on the start button, select settings, go to accessibility. In the right pane, select captions, and then you'll find an option for live captions. Simply turn it on. I'll tell you why this is so important. Okay, live captions will start what do we say, pushing live captions. You'll have to click on yes, continue, and then it will start pushing live captions to all audio on your system. And this is an excellent accessibility tool, especially for people who are short of hearing or who cannot hear properly or who want to check it on in different languages. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.